Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first actions. Check storage space now. If it's low, delete unused files or move photos to cloud so updates can download. Once done, switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection and sign into your App Store account. Make sure App Store settings allow downloads and background app refresh. Now open the App Store, go to Updates, and start installing the oldest stalled app first, so dependencies update in correct order. You'll handle the trickier middle steps that often block updates. Force close any apps that are stuck and reboot the device to clear temporary locks. This resolves many permission and file handle conflicts. Next, clear the App Store's cache or reset the download queue from settings so corrupted entries drop. If the operating system has an available update, install that first because many app updates rely on newer system libraries. After these fixes, retry updating the same apps you started earlier. You'll complete the process and apply a final troubleshooting step if needed. Install remaining updates one at a time so you can isolate failures quickly. Wait until each finishes before starting the next. If an app still won't update, uninstall it and reinstall from the store to replace corrupted files and reset permissions. Make sure the app has required permissions and that you haven't hit storage limits. If problems persist, log out of the store account and log back in. Then try installing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.